Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to learn letter E. If you have not watched our previous videos, go check the link given in the description box below. So we will draw E in the balloon shape. E for elephant. First draw number 8. Then on both sides of heads, add ear. Circle for eyes. Now we will draw trunk of the elephant. Draw tusk on both sides of trunk. For legs we will draw inverted U. Small tail on the left side. Elephant is done. To color E, we will use green and blue shade. For elephant, here I am using pink color. You can use black or grey color. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And you can suggest your favorite cartoon character on the Google form given in the description box below. Thanks for watching.